I reached out to Andrea, and she agrees to just jump in on my crazy journeys with me, and I'm thankful for that. And so I described to her a STEAM club after school, got principal's approval. So that first year we had no funding at all from the district. They just said, we'll let you use our library space. Some of our boys who don't fit in other things like sports or 4-H or Boy Scouts, which are the main things you have an opportunity to do in rural Missouri, they all of a sudden found their niche. It was exactly the right thing for them, that the behaviors we see from them in their classroom that were maybe problematic disappeared in STEAM Club.
I like to do circuits. I like to build. Those are two things that I really like to do because I'm just good with my hands and I have a really great mind. And I feel like my behavior is better in STEAM Club than it is in a normal classroom, because I get to do stuff that a normal classroom usually wouldn't provide or you wouldn't do.
And so we saw that and heard from counselors and other teachers that STEAM Club was the students' safe place. So this is somewhere that they really could thrive in. They felt safe, they wanted to learn about areas that they were specifically interested in, and so they got that opportunity through STEAM Club.
I learned a lot of new stuff in STEAM, and I didn't know how to code, and one week we just did coding. It helped me a lot because then I get to teach other people how to do that.
My project was a catapult, and I made a lot of prototypes to figure it out, and you would start designing it, then you would test it, then do another one, test it, and over again.
It's a matter of growing one's mind. The kids are very creative anyway, and if we do not tap into it and let them explore, let them innovate, let them be creative, then we've really kind of stifled their imagination. So it's very important that we allow them to grow. A lot of the things that we have done and been able to expand upon, both STEAM and technology, would not have been possible without the additional funds that have been granted to us.
As a mom of a girl in STEAM Club, I was so impressed with the opportunities she got that she would not have got any other way or any other place. There were things that she never could have gotten in the traditional classroom.
Whenever we went to Arkansas, we went to a science center, and they had a lot of really cool things there. They had this Rube Goldberg machine type thing on the ceiling where they just had marbles running on these tracks and stuff, and they had history about a whole bunch of old crystals.
A lot of these will be college bound, a lot of them will just be career force bound. And in either case you go, it's important for them to know and understand relationships and be able to communicate to others. And so doing that at a young age, it will only come more natural to them as they grow older.
We could not have done any of the program without IMPER. They were one of the very first to jump on board with us, and that's when we knew we could actually do the club and open the club.
Well, IMPER's been very great as far as allowing us to have a connection to the university with university personnel there, but also from the grant funds itself.
The IMPER network is great for us because we see innovations, we can research them and then bring them back into teacher preparation programs. We really pride ourselves in using evidence-based practice, meaning we do research on what innovations work and which one doesn't work.
I like finding a solution using trial and error, and I think it works better because you're actually seeing it and feeling it and knowing the problem. So you can be yourself, do what you like to do, you can problem solve, do a lot of different things.
I think after our STEAM Club, we really started seeing this movement expand out into the classrooms. And so I think that's kind of our end goal, is that we won't need a STEAM Club anymore because it will be happening within the classrooms.